everyone, welcome to Mum's the Word-Aus channel. We have rebranded from the Kids Post to Mum's the Word-Aus. I'm here today with Anita from Mise.
Hello, how are you?
Hello. She is the ultimate organising expert because today I'm going to do something that's like a bit fun, I guess.
It's super fun.
Well, if organising and kitchens are your thing, it's super fun.
Is.
In my view, it's just necessary because my pantry is driving me nuts. It's basically just two shelves and I can't see anything past the first row, which is really frustrating.
And it's under your bench.
It's under the bench
because
top.
it's under waist height, everything. I saw all your food and stuff back there, like it just went to the abyss. It's just too deep.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
What are you going to do today? What is it you're going to do?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a Tansel pull-out storage system from Howard's Storage World. It's basically going to install drawers in a space where there's shelving, and it's going to revolutionise that area, which means nothing will fall to the back. Everything can come out, will be used, no waste, save money, save time. So let's take a look and let's get started.
Okay, there's a lot of wastage. There are things at the back here that have actually fallen over. Once you have things that are falling over the back, what happens is we're going to double up on items, and there's probably rotten things back there. Also, there might be some really good things back here that we've been looking for. So what happens? We go and buy it again, and that is a big waste of money. Before we install anything, we need to declutter, which means getting everything out, sorting it into light categories, and getting rid of anything that is expired or best before. So we've checked everything, we've sorted everything into light categories, we've gotten rid of a lot of anything that's expired. So now I can really get a gauge of how much stuff we had, and now we are really going to get this organised much better, and we're going to save this family a lot of money. We're going to remove this shelf and repurpose it, and we're going to install the Tansel pull-out storage.
So Anita has done, she's completely transformed the pantry.
Works my magic.
She has. So here is the big reveal.
Here's the reveal.
Wow, look at that.
What do you think,
It was
Kylie?
so different.
Now look, instead of having shelves, we have drawers. And everything that used to get lost in the back can come all the way forward.
Amazing.
Happy pantry, happy
Everyone
home.
everyone in the family is going to love this. Everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.
Bye.